Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this gray issue while importing images in Blender. For example, I have already imported this image, okay, as a plain mesh, but still there is no data, okay, uh, it's completely gray. So, for example, I'm going to remove this, pressing 0, okay. Now, I'm trying to import image. So here going to add image mesh plane. So I'm trying to import. So I'm going to import this image, select and check this details here and import images as plane. So, but still I'm getting the gray, okay. So in order to fix that, right, what you need to do is you need to go to this under viewport, go to viewport shading, click on this viewport shading, and here you need to click on this texture. So once you select the texture, right, automatically you'll be able to see that. See? Super cool, right? Also, it looks like it's very dull, okay? What we can see, contrast is very less here. So to see the exact picture, you need to click on this viewport shading, and here come to here click on this matte cap, okay. So if you select flat or matte cap, and you need to select as texture. So this is the way you can see your image in this Blender. So that's it, friends. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in video form. Thank you. Bye and take care.